I'm going to show you 3 passive income business ideas that anyone can start by strategically using AI. And these are not some get-rich-quick schemes that sound good on the internet but never actually work in real life. In fact, I actually own an AI-powered social media marketing agency that generated over $400,000 last month. So I have seen firsthand what works and what doesn't when it comes to building real passive income with AI. So if you have ever wanted to build a business that pays you over and over again for work you only did one time, stick around because this is going to change the way you think about making money. Let's get started with chapter 1. What is a passive income business? Before we get into the 3 ideas, we need to talk about what passive income actually means because a lot of people get this wrong. Most people think passive income means you do absolutely nothing and money just shows up in your bank account. That's not how it works. And anyone who tells you that you don't have to do anything is probably trying to sell you something. Real passive income means you do the work up front and then that work keeps paying you for months or even years after you finish it. The key difference is that you're not trading hours for dollars like you do at a regular job. Now, here's something most people don't know. The IRS has a very specific definition for passive income in publication 925. According to the IRS, a passive activity is any trade or business that you do not materially participate in, which usually is more than 500 hours per year or about 10 hours per week. So if you work less than 10 hours per week in your business, the IRS considers it passive income. That's the real definition we're working with today. And it's important because it shows you that passive income doesn't mean zero work. It means working smart so your business only needs a few hours of your time each week. And that's where AI comes in and makes everything so much easier than it used to be. Before AI existed, you needed to hire a bunch of employees to keep a business running under that 10-hour threshold. It was almost impossible to build something that ran without you unless you had a lot of money. But now AI can talk to customers for you 24 hours a day without ever getting tired. AI can create content that would take you hours in just a few minutes. AI can send emails, book appointments, answer questions, qualify leads, and even generate new sales while you're sleeping. This is why right now is the best time in history to start a passive income business using these tools. Now that you understand what passive income really means, let me show you the first idea that can start making you money as soon as this month. The first passive income idea is number 1, selling AI agents to small business owners. And honestly, this is one of the easiest ways to start generating recurring revenue with AI. An AI agent is like a robot worker that can answer phone calls, send text messages, book appointments, and talk to customers all day and all night without ever taking a break or calling in sick. Here's the problem you're solving, and it's a big one. Small business owners like contractors, dentists, lawyers, and real estate agents are super busy running their companies, and they miss a lot of phone calls every single day. Research shows that small businesses miss about 60% of their incoming calls, and every missed call is money they lose because that person usually just calls their competitor instead. When you give them an AI agent that answers every single call and never misses one, you become their hero and they'll happily pay you every month to keep that agent running. Let me paint you a picture of how this works. You set up the AI agent one time for the client, which takes you maybe 2 to 4 hours depending on how detailed you make it. Then you charge them a monthly fee to keep it running for their business every single day. One client might pay you $250 per month for this service. Get 10 clients and that's $2,500 coming in every month without extra work. Get 50 clients and now you're making $12,500 every single month while staying under 10 hours of work per week. The math is simple but beautiful when you see it work in real life. Let me show you exactly how to set up a voice AI agent using High Level, which is the tool I use for my own agency. If you want to follow along, click the first link in the description below to get an exclusive 30-day free trial. And when you sign up using my link, you also get access to my free AI Business Blueprint course. Once you log into your High Level sub account and go to settings in the left-hand menu, then click on AI Agent. This is where you manage and create all your virtual assistants. Once inside the AI Agent section, you'll see a blue button in the top right corner that says plus create agent. Click that to start building your first agent. When the setup panel opens, start by typing in an agent name like Sean's receptionist or customer support agent. Then enter the business name so the agent knows which company it represents when talking to callers. Next, select the language you want your agent to speak, then choose a voice from the options High Level provides. Take your time and preview each one until you find a voice that sounds professional. Make sure your time zone is set correctly, then write the initial message, which is the first thing callers hear when the AI picks up. For example, you might type, "Hi, you've reached Sean's Family Dental. How can I help you today?" Make sure this greeting sounds warm and professional because it sets the tone for the whole conversation. Click next to go to the agent goals step. Here you'll see two modes, basic mode and advanced mode. If you're starting out, choose basic mode because it lets you select simple data collection fields like name, phone number, and appointment requests without writing complicated prompts. Next, go to the phone and availability step to connect a phone number to your agent. Choose phone numbers from your sub account that you want the AI to answer. You can choose whether the AI should answer all calls directly or act like a voicemail and only answer after the ring times out. You can also set the agent to be active 24/7 or only during certain hours. Click save when you're done. Then use the test widget on the right side of the screen to test your agent before going live. Then you're ready to sell this to a real client and start collecting those monthly payments. This first idea alone could replace a full-time income, but I want to show you an even more powerful way to make passive income that can scale even bigger. Idea number 2, AI-powered CRM software. But real quick, if we haven't met yet, I'm Sean's clone. Sean is the owner of a $4 million per year social media marketing agency, winning awards like the Inc. 5000 Fastest Growing Companies, Gold Go High Level SaaS, and many others. And I'm here to share his knowledge with you because the truth is there are enough opportunities out there for us all to win. And sharing this knowledge does nothing to impact me, but it helps people like you. All I ask is that you like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. All right, moving on to the second passive income idea. Number 2, creating your own AI-powered software that you can sell to businesses as a monthly subscription. Now, before you say you don't know how to build software or you're not a tech person, let me explain how easy this actually is. High Level lets you white label their entire platform, which means you can put your own company name, logo, and colors on it and sell it like it's your own software that you built from scratch. You don't have to build anything yourself or write any code. You don't need to hire expensive developers. You just set it up once and start charging people to use it every month. Here's why this model is so powerful. A CRM helps businesses keep track of customers, send emails, send text, run ads, build websites, and manage their entire sales process in one place. And guess what? Every legitimate business needs one. The problem is most software that small businesses use is generic or doesn't have AI built into them yet. And that's where you come in. You can white label High Level and then build out your own custom software for a specific niche. For example, let's say you choose dental practices. You could create a comprehensive software that includes website and landing page templates, a voice AI trained on dental terminology, calendars and scheduling protocols, forms for insurance verification, and patient communication guidelines. Build in conversation flows for common scenarios like emergency calls, routine cleanings, and new patient inquiries. And that's just the tip of the iceberg, but let me break down the math because this is where it gets exciting. You charge each business a monthly fee like $97, $197, or $297 per month depending on features. You pay High Level one flat monthly fee no matter how many customers you have, and you keep the difference. So if you pay $497 a month and have 20 customers paying $297 each, that's almost $6,000 per month in revenue, with most being profit. The more customers you get, the more money you make without doing extra work. Let me walk you through how to set this up. First, you need the High Level Agency Pro plan at $497 per month, which unlocks software mode for white labeling. Once logged in, go to agency settings to start customizing. Upload your own logo and change the colors to match your brand. Next, add your custom domain so clients log in through your own web address. Then in your agency settings, add your domain name under white label domain. This makes everything look like you built it yourself. Now go to settings, then payments to connect your Stripe account. Click the connect to your Stripe account button and follow the prompts. This lets you collect money automatically every month without manual work. Here's the most important part. Go to the SaaS configurator in your agency settings. This is where you build your pricing plans. Create different levels like a starter plan for $97 per month, a growth plan for $197, and a pro plan for $297 or higher. For each plan, attach the features you want included like CRM, calendars, pipelines, funnels, email, SMS, and AI tools. You can attach snapshots, which are pre-built templates that load automatically into new accounts to give instant value. Once plans are ready, create a sales funnel with a 2-step order form explaining your software. When someone signs up through that form, the system automatically creates their account, generates their login credentials, sends them a welcome email, and starts billing monthly. Now you have a real software company running on autopilot. By the way, if you want to learn how to turn these ideas into a full business, check out my free course in the description below. It also shows the exact software I use to run my agency powered by AI. Now let me show you the third idea, which takes more work up front, but creates the biggest passive income of all. Idea number 3 is starting an AI content agency that runs mostly without you once you set it up. And I know this to be true because I own a 7-figure social media marketing agency that generated over $400,000 last month. But the best part is I work less than 10 hours per week in the business. Now, I have to be honest with you, this one takes more time to build initially, but once running smoothly, it can make more money than the other two combined. And I'm speaking from experience here. An AI content agency creates marketing content for businesses using AI tools to do work fast. This includes social media posts, blog articles, email newsletters, video scripts, and anything else a business needs to market itself online. Here's why this model is so powerful in the AI era. You can now take someone's voice, their face, their style, and create content that looks and sounds like them without them sitting in front of a camera for hours every day. Picture a busy CEO who wants to build their presence on LinkedIn and Instagram. They know personal branding is important, but they barely have time to eat lunch, let alone record videos every day. You create an AI clone of them using their existing content and voice samples, generate content that matches their voice and expertise, and suddenly they have a thriving personal brand without the massive time investment. Take a look at these samples and tests I ran for myself to demonstrate the power of cloning. We have a pressure washer cleaning a dirty driveway and an accountant explaining tax strategies in their office. These videos look professional and they look expensive, but we made them all with Sora 2 in less than 10 minutes, and clients pay us $1,000 per month just to make these videos and post them on social media. I believe this is the future for content creation for people who are tired of burning out or don't have the time to post and run a full-time business, because they can still show up as their real selves sometimes to keep things authentic. But the AI clone handles the heavy lifting of consistent content creation. Now, running an agency sounds like lots of work, and it is at first, but here's the secret to making it passive. You build systems using AI that do most of the actual work, then hire a small team to manage clients while you step back. Your job becomes making sure the machine keeps running instead of doing everything yourself. In the beginning, for about 1 to 2 years, you take on clients yourself using AI tools to create content fast. You learn what works and what clients want. As you grow, you document everything into step-by-step systems. These systems tell anyone exactly how to do each task the same way you do. Then you hire people to follow those systems while AI handles the heavy lifting. We use High Level to manage over 300 client sub-accounts right now, which is basically an account for each client we have. And if you are going to start an AI content agency, then you are going to want a tool that allows you to manage your clients' social media accounts in one place. To schedule their content, click on marketing in the left sidebar and then select social planner at the top. Before you can post anything, you need to connect their social media accounts. Once their accounts are connected, click new post and then create new posts. Select which social accounts you want to post to from the drop-down menu. Now you can upload the images or videos you created with AI, write the caption, and add hashtags. On the right side, you'll see a preview of how the post will look on each platform. When everything looks good, you can either click post now to publish immediately or click schedule to pick a specific date and time for the post to go live. And this is only scratching the surface. You can set up many automations to go along with this to actually help convert new social media followers into leads and appointments. If you want to see the full workflows in action, then I encourage you to watch this video next on how I manage 300 plus social media clients, or this video on how to make money with Sora, and I'll see you over there.